Congratulations! You are renting a temporary fabric structure from Sunbelt Rentals. Here's some helpful tips for maximizing your rental experience. Holding it down. Our structures must be anchored, and we offer several solutions for this. Our most common method is using steel stakes around the perimeter of the structure that are a minimum of 42 inches. Please be sure to confirm the area is free of underground obstructions and have any underground utilities marked prior to first installation day. We also offer options using concrete anchors or cement ballasts when we cannot penetrate the surface. Wind. Did you know that tents move sometimes, and that's okay? Our fabric structures are designed to withstand significant wind and weather, and can flex a bit. They also might make noise on a windy day. This is normal. If the base plate of a tent moves or tent leg looks crooked, be sure to call our repair line. Water. Water will follow the grade of the surface. If you are planning to have a structure on a spot that typically collects water, it will likely continue to collect water on rainy days. The best way to mitigate is to grade the surface or rent flooring. Temperature. Enclosed tents will get hot in a warm climate. We offer climate control options to suit your needs. Weather. Tents are not a safe place to be during severe weather. While most of our structures are engineered for high winds, it's not advisable to be in a tent when sustained winds are in excess of 35 miles per hour. Condensation. When warm air meets a cold surface, condensation can form. If engaging any climate control equipment in your structure, it's best to discuss ways to prevent and manage condensation. Fabric. Most of our fabric will block light, so if your structure will be enclosed, plan lighting for inside, even for daytime use. It's also important to note that while the fabric will block most light, some light will come through. If you require a tent with all light blocked, let your Sunbelt representative know, and we can work with you on the best solution for your project. Service calls. Sometimes things happen. If your structure is damaged during your rental, contact our repairs coordinator to schedule a visit. We are relentlessly focused on your customer experience. Thank you for using Sunbelt Rentals.